Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be fixing this bubble machine. It's a panda shape. It no longer works anymore. It's been left outside, so I'm guessing there's some corrosion in there from being left out in the rain, which I think is probably a pretty common scenario. I bet you these get left outside all the time. But it looks like it'll hopefully be an easy fix. What I got here, I already took out the screws in the back, so it's pretty easy to get it open. Take the battery cover off. That's the first place to check. There's no corrosion on the battery terminals, so it must be pretty well sealed. And then you just take out each of these screws. You can just use a Phillip head screwdriver. Each of these holes are 6 screws total. I have them right here. And then this comes right off. Comes off in 2 pieces here. And then you can see there's a little circuit board in here. There's one back here. So let me see if I can show you guys the light there. But I think that's our culprit. There's a lot of corrosion and rust right there. This one doesn't look bad. I'll probably give this a cleaning too. And then the motor, there's a little corrosion and rust there too. So we're going to hit this up with some vinegar. Got some over here and an old toothbrush. We'll see if we can get it working. We'll start off with the front one. Give it a nice cleaning. Let it dissolve off. If you see bubbles, that means there's definitely some corrosion. This one, though, I think is the major culprit. And we're getting a little bit of bubbling down there. If I show you guys my light here, you can see there's some bubbling going on. Hopefully we can get all that rust off with just a little bit of vinegar here. Go ahead and get the motor too. While I'm at it, maybe it's seized up with some rust or something in there. What we'll do is we'll just put the batteries in now, see if it's done anything. Nothing yet, guys. So let's let this sit for a little bit. I'm going to do some more scrubbing on the rust. And we'll see if we can get it working. Alright guys, I put some new batteries in. And guess what? It's working now, guys. So again, just getting that little bit of corrosion off there helps after letting it sit for a little bit. Pretty happy with this. It's a really fun bubble machine, just in time for summer. My kids will really enjoy it. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe. Again, all you have to do to put this back together, put the pieces back on, screw it back in. And Mr. Panda will be back to blowing bubbles. Appreciate you guys watching. Oh, let's see. Did we break it again? Oh, the batteries fell out. Appreciate you guys watching. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe. I'll put a link down below where you can buy one of these in case you're interested. But yeah, Mr. Panda's working. Even survived that little fall there. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll catch you all next time.